Make a wish. And blow. Yeah! Alright, please sabay-sabay natin siya matiin ng lakas. And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday!
Alright, palakpakan natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Alright, Marikis, sabay-sabay daw natin ang atas sa alis na malakas. At masaya, happy birthday song.
Wow! Ay, sorry.
Okay, ang gusto ni Best Friend Joey. Malakas ang palakpakan na may kasama niya. Okay, okay na yung best friend? Okay na best friend? Ayan. Okay, isa pa daw kiss. Alright, one more time kiss. Alright, okay, best friend Joey. It's nice to see our best friend. And best friend Joey, ipakilala ko kasi ang ating birthday celebrants na si Sabayuan ang mga Joey Bao na meron dalawang malaking mata, TV na laging nakatawa at ang kanyang lakad ay kakaiba. Kaya kids, sabay-sabay natin siya tawagin. Let's start counting in the count of 10, 9,